Hi, Coach Stephanie here, a NASM certified personal trainer, NASM certified nutrition coach, and UESEA running coach and ultra running coach, and yoga instructor. And welcome to this restorative yoga flow. This one's designed to stretch your lower back and your neck, where we can hold a lot of tension, feel really tight, and experience some pain here and there, especially if you work from home, work at your desk often, work in an office and you're at your desk a lot, or maybe you're a little more sedentary than you'd like. This is a great 10-minute practice, and it's beginner friendly. So feel free to move at your own pace, listen to your body, and most importantly, make sure you have a quiet and comfortable space to practice in, and grab your mat. Let's begin.
Come to a comfortable cross-legged seat and just root down through your sit bones here. Let your shoulders lie down your back. And just reach your crown tall. And just begin to arrive here. Concentrate on your breathing. Sitting up nice and tall. Let's inhale to lengthen your torso. Let's tilt the right ear towards your right shoulder and exhale. Take a breath in here. Roll your head down towards your chest. Let's take it over to the left and breathe out. Inhale here. And chin down, roll your head to the right and exhale. Let's move through this rotation just a few times at your own pace. Let's come back to neutral and roll over your shins and make your way onto your belly. And inhale to Cobra from here. Tops of the feet anchor into your mat. We're just going to lift the chest here. Keep your back engaged. You can keep your head down. Stare at your mat. And exhale, release down. Let's press ourselves up and have a seat on your heels. And prepare to twist from here. We're just going to sweep the right hand behind the back, left hand to the right knee. And just take a deep breath in here. Move your right shoulder back on the exhale as you twist right. Gently unwind from here. And let's find the palms to sky stretch. Interlace your fingers. Inhale. Reach the palms overhead towards the ceiling or the sky. Just hold here. And release the stretch. Let's find the other side. Left hand behind you, right hand to the left knee. Take a deep breath in here. Bring your left shoulder back as you exhale. Twist left. Slowly unwind. And let's make our way back to a seat. Sweep the legs around in front. Hi, kitty, kitty. And let's find our cow face. So we're gonna bring that left leg down, sweep the right leg on top, and just stack the knees here. Inhale, press your hips down, and then exhale. From here, we're just gonna walk the hands forward and fold over your legs. Breathe into the pose. Maybe spider crawl the hands a little bit further forward if you can. Let's slowly rise back up. And bound angle pose from here. So we're just going to draw the soles of the feet together. Let the knees open out wide. Now bring your peace fingers to your big toes. Take a breath in here. Hollow out your belly, round your spine, and exhale, fold forward. Let's inhale and rise back up. And let's find that cow face on the second side. Bring your right leg down. And we're just going to sweep the left leg on top now. Stacking those knees here. Inhale, root through the hips, and exhale. Fold gently forward. Spider crawl the hands forward. Just fold here over your legs. But slowly rise back up and roll over your shins and find your tabletop position again. Just bring the knees under the hips. Pigeon pose from here. We're going to slowly shift forward and just lay your right shin bone down on your mat here. Take a breath in here and exhale. We're just going to forward fold over this front thigh. Again, bring the hands forward. Lay the arms out long and just stay folded here as you walk the hands over to the left side. Just going to find a little side stretch over here. Maybe stack the right hand on top of the left. Stay folded. Let's bring the hands back to the center and rise back up. And let's find that tabletop again. So go ahead and bring that knee back. Stack the knees under the hips. And let's find the pigeon on the other side. Shift forward. Bring the left knee in to the left wrist. Lay your shin bone down. And inhale here as you straighten out your back leg. Exhale. Let's fold. Release completely forward. Arms out long. Stay folded here. Let's walk the hands to the right. Maybe stack your left hand on top. Stay in the pose here, walk the hands back to the center and start to rise. Let's sweep the right leg around to the front here and make your way on to your back. Soles of the feet on the mat. Let's slowly pull the knees into your chest and exhale. Let's break the knees to the left. And just sweep your right arm out to the right, gaze right. Let's unwind, bring the knees back to your center, and let's find the other side. Knees right, gaze left, exhale as you sweep your left arm over. And that side body twist. And release your twist. Let's draw the knees tightly into your chest here. Take one last inhale. And exhale, Shavasana. Just extend the arms and the legs out long to your sides and settle in. Maybe roll your ankles around. It can take a while for the body and mind to find some stillness in Shavasana. So feel free to stay here for as much time as you need. Thank you for sharing your short practice with me today.